You don't plan to poop. You don't open Notion. You don't check your calendar. You just go. But for a 2-minute task, the thing that could actually change your life, you suddenly need a system. Think about that. You don't lack discipline. You're just wasting energy pretending to be productive. If you already know what to do and it takes less than 10 minutes, planning it is just delaying it. In this video, I'll show you why productivity apps slow you down, especially when the task is small. And near the end, I'll give you one question that instantly tells you whether you should act or stop planning. If you get this wrong, you'll stay busy and stuck. Let's be honest. Most of you are not CEOs. You don't have assistants. You don't have 12 meetings a day. But you act like brushing your teeth requires a productivity framework. You already know what you need to do. You're not confused. You're delaying. Planning has become a socially acceptable way to not do the work. Imagine this. You feel the urge to go to the bathroom. You say, wait, let me plan this. You open Apple Notes. You write, poop, priority high. You move it to tomorrow. Sounds ridiculous? But that's exactly what you do with your real work. Let's get something straight. Planning is not evil, but planning tiny skills, planning tiny tasks is where everything breaks. If you already know what to do and it takes less than 10 minutes, planning is not preparation, it's avoidance. You don't plan because you need clarity. You plan because you feel resistance. And instead of facing resistance, you decorate it. New app, new system, new method. Same zero output. I'm not here to teach you productivity. I'm here to tell you the truth. I had to admit to myself, planning made me feel serious, organized, responsible, and yet nothing important was moving. I wasn't lazy. I was busy lying to myself. Productivity apps are seductive. Clean interface, checklists, timers, colors. They give you control without risk. You feel on track without ever facing failure. That feeling is addictive, but hear this clearly. The feeling of progress is not progress. It's a substitute. And at the end of the day, nothing important gets done. People will tell you, do what you hate like you love it. Sounds good. Doesn't work. You don't love brushing your teeth. You don't hate it either. You just do it because it's necessary. Action does not need emotion. It needs acceptance. The moment you stop negotiating, action becomes automatic. Planning is just useful when things are complex. But when things are simple, planning becomes procrastination in suit. When you're thirsty, you don't open a productivity app. Most of your important work is exactly the same. If a task fits in your head, it does not belong in an app. Here's the rule that changes everything. If it takes less than 10 minutes and you already know how to do it, you do it immediately. Just like going to the bathroom. And yes, your brain will scream at first. Let it scream. It shuts up once you move. Every time you plan instead of act, you reinforce one identity. I'm someone who prepares. Every time you act without planning, you build another. I'm someone who executes. One feels smart while the other gets results. Here's a challenge. For the next 7 days, no planning tasks under 10 minutes. If you catch yourself opening an app, ask yourself one question. Am I about to poop, or am I about to lie to myself? If this hit you, like the video and subscribe. If you're done pretending to be productive, and if you're still thinking, yeah, but later, don't worry, I used to say the same thing. That's exactly why the next video exists. Because if you don't plan to poop, maybe you don't need to plan your life either. Stop planning your life. Start living it. Peace.